No, it doesn't.
Because what we want to do is we want to test it.
But scan it.
But I want to leave this on for about half hour to so it's actually physically charged.
Because it takes like 1 to 3 hours to charge it fully. Because it's 30 hours.
Oh, it's not 50 minutes. It's just 50 minutes.
Well, actually, the old battery was an hour. The new battery is probably more efficient.
Let's see how long it takes.
It says fast charging.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, 50 minutes.
Well, probably because it's the new stuff. That's what I'm saying. The newer one is probably much better.
Yeah, it's 100.
So the new battery charges faster than the old battery then.
Yeah.
Because the old battery.
The old one is 1 hour. It says.
Yeah,
box, right?
yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was thinking.
So when it turns green here, it says it's fully charged. So I need to wait till it turns.
But it shows red that it's charging.
It's charging right now.
Okay, so it is charging.
So I want it to be fully green.
Does it have a estimate time for how long it takes?
Let me see. So yeah, 30 hours of power from 50 minutes of charging.
Yeah, so 15 minutes.
So yeah, so we want to wait at least. So I just put it on maybe for like 5 minutes ago. So I don't know if you want to wait.
Wait, you take your time.
That's what I'm saying. I don't want you to leave and then be ready to go.
So you want to wait at least another 45 minutes?
Sure.
Yeah?
Because to put it back together won't take me too long.
Oh, really?
It'll take me like 15 minutes.
We just want to make sure it's working.
I want to make sure this thing is.
Yeah, to take your time, sir.
Okay. So as soon as I'm gonna, because I need to leave the car on too for a little bit. So as soon as it's like I said, it's on. Then we'll when it turns green.
Once we see it turn green, then we'll put it back for you.
Then we'll put it back, and then it should be working. And then, like I said, as long as this thing says it's good for 50 hours, once it's fully charged, then you should be good to go.
Yeah. I wish all our customers were like this, man. Thank you, brother.
That's the battery right there, the one from Amazon.
Yeah, no, don't worry.
You can return that one.
That's the old box right there.
I'm gonna put the stuff in there. I appreciate it.